I took a piss in there back in the day.
Oh, that's why they're so fresh.
Oh my god.
I think everyone's taking a piss off this corner at some point. No, there's no way I'm getting that. They're the best blackberries I've ever seen.
Just jump in, lad. It's not an issue.
You can get up a video where the guy jumps into the cactus.
Yeah.
Yay! Yay!
The one that eats it is.
Yeah. Why would you bother?
I don't know. Yay! I feel like he got a bit of a tumour. Missed it, lad. So I wasn't ready. I'm smiling. I can't be smiling. Fuck me in the arse.
How long is this going to take, lad?
Oh, it took longer last time, lad. It
3
was
days
so bad.
last time.
It did take us 3 days.
I've heard 2 notes so far.
Fuck. I wasn't ready. I can't keep it straight.
You were going for better time.
I know, lad. I was trying so hard.
Right, Rob, will you piss off, please, love?
No, lad, don't get it in my guitar. It's a good effect, yeah, but like, it fucking puts me off, lad. I get it in my mouth, mate.
Unless you want to cut on the... That bit.
No, stop, don't waste them now. Why are you wasting them?
Lad, we got a tree full.
Oh, look at all that grind! No. Fuck you, I can't. You fucking ties me, man. He just rips it off his chest like, fuck you. I feel like DJ Will Mac batting away the midges, like. Bangers.
No. Stop dabbing.
Oh my god!
Yeah, tell me that was recording, man. That's going in.
She is now helping the play, Rob.
Hitting them notes hard. You've also got to keep a straight face as long as possible.
I'll take it proper seriously. Don't worry. Like, go overboard. I'll be there, straight as fuck.
Well, that's it.
Hey, it's because he's.
I'm not going to chuck bear at one side, I'm going to make it look natural as fuck. When are we starting this?
Oh yeah.
Fucking playing.
We got a chorus. Like. Oh, it's not for me.